face of blue, blue eyes and jazz and latitude. He lives in California too. He drives a Chevy Malibu, and when he calls, he calls.
Hi, I'm Ramya, and I've just finished a superb, awesome experience doing a photo shoot with Sudarshan, and it's the first time I'm working with him. I'm extremely glad I worked with him because he's extremely clear about what he wants and a thorough professional. So we started like around 7 a.m. in the morning, and it's not even 1 and we are done, and that too we got 4 to 5 looks, which I think is quite impossible. Because I have had my share of experiences working with a lot of photographers, but this quick is something like great. It's such a great feeling for me. And with Sudarshan, what I really liked is he's extremely clear to an extent where he can even tell me what poses I need to work on, and I needn't even think about that. Generally they say it's the model's part to work on the poses, the attitude, and it's the photographer's part to look onto the angle and the shots. But the best part is about Sudarshan, I just came with a very blank mind, didn't prepare anything, didn't go through any references, nothing. So I'm really glad having worked with him, and I'm looking forward to many more opportunities. Thank you.
He lives for love, for women too. I'm one of many.